Hello and welcome to the Homeschool Institute of Science. This week's course is on terrestrial mammal migration. We've been studying migration this month, and I hope you've been following along this epic adventure. We've been learning about insect migration, the monarchs and other billions of insects right over our head in the vertical air column. We've been learning about bird migration, the neotropical migrants and the shorebirds worldwide that perform these incredible feats. And now we're taking a close look at terrestrial mammal migration. These are some of the larger of the migrants, and we head to some disparate corners of the world to accomplish this feat this week. You're going to learn about the zebra and especially the wildebeest migration, considered by many the most massive terrestrial mammal migration on the planet currently. And you'll watch these wildebeest navigate down, actually north from the Serengeti up into Kenya and then back across the Mara River. These creatures have to navigate waters infested by large freshwater crocodiles. So we'll learn about the wildebeest in East Africa. You'll learn about the pronghorn and the mule deer of the western United States, two incredible migrants, and some newly discovered migratory behavior. We're still making discoveries about creatures yearly, and a really neat piece about mule deer and a discovery of a migratory pattern that wasn't known before. We filmed some footage firsthand in Wyoming on our migration this past month, and you'll see that looking at some pronghorn antelope up close and personal. You also have some fun projects this week. You'll learn how to make a zebra sock puppet, and you also learn how to make some homemade mosquito repellent. You might ask, why in the world would there be a mosquito repellent project for terrestrial mammal migration? Well, if you've ever seen the poor caribou of western Canada and Alaska, and there's some great information on them as well, you'll know that these, along with many of the other terrestrial migrants, are plagued by many things, but most notoriously by insects, including botflies and mosquitoes. And so this might give you a better appreciation for those creatures and also prep you for this summer's outings. Hopefully you will be getting out into the fields and forests or just area green spaces in your neighborhoods and looking for the creatures that exist there. We hope you enjoy this week's course on terrestrial mammal migration.